This laser level is very accurate. It runs off of rechargeable battery, and you get 2 batteries, and it has a whole list of features. It can throw level lines on the wall, on the ceiling, on the floor, all at the same time. And it comes with a whole suite of hardware, so you can use this in all different kinds of use cases. Here's what you get in this very rugged case. Instructions, the module itself. You get some protective glasses, the tripod, all the different mounts, 2 batteries, and you can recharge them. It includes the recharging brick. The LCD screen at the top is very easy to understand. You can control the horizontal lines, the vertical lines. It tells you the battery life, and if you press and hold, it will lock it so the alarm won't sound. Now the device is active, and if it's off level, it will alarm. That's very important. And I can throw horizontal lines, 1 or 2, all right? And I can throw vertical lines at the... So I have lines going every which direction. Press and hold, and you'll turn off the alarm, so that way, if you're doing a diamond pattern on your wall, you could have it that. Most of the time you want the level lock, the level alarm to be active. The self-leveling feature can be your best friend. If you don't want to use the touch screen, you also have a remote that you can use. I like that you have the option, simple on-off button. Here's one of the hardware attachments that is very useful. It has powerful magnets because the height of this might not reach the height that you need it. So if you had a metal stud or something like that, pretend this is a metal stud, you could just clip that on there. Then you could insert the laser level on that, and this could be any height on the stud that you want. I use this attachment much more than I thought I would, and I am glad this is included. Bottom line, this is very powerful, it's very easy to understand, and it comes in very useful in many situations.